Hi everyone. This time I'm going to cover some more detailed elaboration of parameters. And last time I just created parameters using float or integer, and this time I'm just going to make parameters out of string or date or something like that. Let me create a parameter. Let me show something. Create a parameter here, and this time instead of float, I just create something called as date and not date and time. And let's assume that my date parameter I have selected is 5/9/2023, and make it that way, and there is no problem. And you click on all, or you can have a selection of or list of date variable or range of date variable also you can specify, and I just selected all. Let me proceed further with that, and the parameter name is, let me call it as uh, date control or something like that. You can make it control. Let me make it something like that. I created a new parameter here. So let me select this order date and drop it in columns, and make it that continuous months, and let me get profit or sales into rows. Let me get profit, or make it this. You can make it, think of making day wise as well, no problem. Or day is too much, let me make it week. Okay, fine, that's look better. So let me get this date control parameter. I have a date control parameter. Based on the date control parameter, what I do, I'll create a calculator field. Let me do date color, and date color would be, I just get date greater than, say, date control. I'll make it parameter calculation is valid. Apply it here. I click OK. I just get this color here, and nothing happens in date color, but there is no colors happens. Everything is blue only. So this is because the date which we specified is outside this particular thing. That's the reason. Let me show parameter here. I'll specify. Let me make it is 2015 or something like that. So look at this color. So I have made a control over here. So from here onwards, 5/9/2015 onwards, I just made a control, and I can show in different color. And many times this is required for specifying your date versus a profit representation or any other representation, different color after some particular date. So let me do one more thing, and let me look at the reference line with respect to this as well. And I go to analytics. I just go to reference line. Let me select the reference line, or rather than selecting here, what I do, I just get the reference line. I just drop it in week, and then I'll select date control parameters, and line, I'll make it this line. I'll also make a different color, and click OK, and see that. So now you can see that I also specified a line which is separating your date specified, that is 5/9/2015 versus before that. Okay, so this is a use case of date control parameter here. That's it. Thank you.